Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app and of course give all the permissions it needs. Oh my god, okay. And right here we are in the standard photo mode. So after taking a look at this option bar, we cannot really see the timer, which means that it is hidden in the settings. So let's tap on the settings, which are in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the second option bar kind of is connected with the timer. We've got the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option, it will be immediately highlighted. So we can go back and check it. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. That was really loud. Alright, you can also always remove this option whenever you want to. Just come back to the settings and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.